Boom, 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 boom. $300, $800.
But like each of them?
$27,000.
Kidding.
No, it's really expensive.
Well, no, they're like $30 a pop, right?
Well, I don't know how much the big ones like these are.
Well, if you get them in a giant package for like $100, like
I don't think they buy
Indian
these ones at Indian reservations.
Oh, what do they do?
I think these are professionally packed in China.
Oh, China.
And then, yeah,
Is that illegal?
there's
you
people.
get them in like Carolina?
No, it's not illegal to get Chinese
In
fireworks.
Georgia, that's what they did. That was cool. In Georgia, they went to North Carolina and brought fireworks down. That was pretty, but on the camera, it looks really bad. That's what happens.
That's why we have 50 states, so you can buy things you can't buy in other states illegally.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Yay.
That's what smuggling is for. No, it's gonna have a final show. Like, this is not it. Ready?
Dun
Ready?
dun dun
And
dun
then,
dun dun
boom.
dun 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 dun. Those are the rockets right there. The bombs bursting in air. And night that our flag was still there.
That was pretty. That's
I'm gonna pop some days. Only got $20 in my pocket. Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, too bad the cameras suck. I wish like you had cameras.
Are you videotaping too?
Your eyes.
We're both videotaping. You're at 158, I'm at 204. I'm ahead of you.
Oh man.
Why are we both videotaping from exactly the same spot?
Because yours is like 4 inches
Woo!
off.
Mine's prettier.
Yours
I got
way
that.
better. Can you send that to me?
Yes. I don't know why you're taping.
Because I feel like I got the power.
Yeah, you got the power.
Ready? Watch this one. Ready? I told you. Oh!
Okay, you go get that one. And your one's over.
Get yours. No, it's
Oh,
not.
oh, oh, oh,
Oh, go yours.
No way.
No.
Yours is awesome.
Yours is worse. That looks really cool.
Yeah.
How does that happen?
It's just a little one up though. That's a cute one. That's a
See,
baby fireworks show. There's a real fireworks show. Look at this fireworks show.
Look how cool mine is.
Now we're talking. No, yours is like fizzling out.
That's so wrong.
Oh.
Look at that, the middle one. Who's gonna videotape that? Really?
I think they're getting bored.
It's really disappointing.
That one.
Oh, that one's over. Here we go.
Oh, yours is done already?
Back to Yield Original Fireworks Show.
Yay.
Look at that prettiness.
Woo! 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 Boom. And boom. And boom. Watch, this one's gonna boom. There, see? I told you. This one's gonna explode. Watch. See?
Oh, boom.
Yeah.
Well,
Watch, these are gonna explode. With those things going up, they're gonna explode. There they
I
are.
didn't expect that.
Yeah.
I thought they were just gonna like fly away.
Yeah.
Yep. Ready? Watch this one. Boom! I told you that one was gonna.
Okay, you gotta tell me what color this one's gonna be.
This one's over on my side.
Oh, now here's the finale.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are the land of the free and the hope of the... You'll shoot my diaphragm?
What's your diaphragm?
Fram?
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 It's Fram, not Fram, you Canadian. And the home of the
Oh, there's more.
diaphragm. Yeah, there's more. Gosh. Do you have
This is where in
diaphragm?
Seattle they
Do
just
you
go
have something to
dun
think
dun dun
with?
dun
Brain?
dun 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 dun.
You videotape me videotaping, and then it'll be like a double feature. Yeah.
Okay, you gotta get something on your screen.
Here, you can.
Okay, I'll go back to the fireworks. Wow. You're gonna videotape my screen?
How do you do it? Oh.
Here.
Good
There.
one.
Wow.
And so me videotaping your screen, and then it'll lower the quality even more. That'd be awesome.
No, I'm getting awesome quality.
I'm
Don't
I'm
pull my
getting
shoulder,
something.
because that's gonna...
I got something.
Ooh, pretty.
It's there.
Look at this. This is just spectacular.
Oh. Do you think that Rory is going to be in the outfield or second base more than I will?
You know, it doesn't matter. Just go and have fun. It's an
I
all-star
should be
game.
second base.
Just
Do you
enjoy.
think I'm a better second baseman or her?
I think neither of you are good second basemen. I think you're both second base girls.
Okay, who's a better second base girl, me or Rory?
I love you the most.
Yep.
Ooh, that was a good one.
I think somebody shot someone.
Is that it? Oh, no,
like,
no,
over
there's
there,
more.
or like here would be the perfect time to like shoot someone because they'll be like, oh, just a firework, and then it's like, oh, you're just murdering people.
This is the perfect time to shoot somebody. Come closer.
It's funny because you know, like shooting.
No.
If only I brought my gun. Why didn't you bring sprinklers?
Woo!
I mean,
sprinklers? Just in case someone brings sparklers, and then we can put them out in the sprinkler very slowly.
Like, guys, I brought sprinklers. Because it's the third, and then you like.
Woohoo! Woo! 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 Woo!
Go from yours.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Dad,
No, you go.
what's going on?
I know mine is going on. We now have 6 minutes of it going on.
I have 6. Well, 1. Oh, 2. Look at mine. Look how cool it is. Oh, just kidding. Look at yours.
Mine's. Oh no, there's more.
Gone.
There's more.
God, Dad.
I know. This is getting tiresome.
Tires?
Tiresome.
There's all tiresome.
America.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flick yeah. There's some blue, and that's pink, and then I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that mother.
Like, the firework, and you're like,
the built-in onesie with the socks in them.
I built the onesie with the socks and my mother. It doesn't even say mother. It just says I built the onesie with the socks on.
No, he says mother.
You said your mother's. Oh.
They'll be like, yo.
They'd be like, yo, home slice, how you doing? Tight?
That's Gucci. That's hecka tight.
That's dope, hecka.
Hecka. Smecca.
In like 2020, they're gonna start
for
saying
shizzle.
hecka for slang. They'd be like, that's chisel hecka, man.
That's chisel hecka. I like that.
Yeah, that's chisel hecka. That's what I'm saying. Like homie D. They don't say homie G, they'll say homie D.
Oh.
Just because it's a new letter.
Because digital.
Homie HG.
I'd be like, I zizzle.
It'd be like, yo, that's for shizzle, that's hecka tight. Like, yo, that's $50 for a piece of crayon.
Crayons? You're going to have crayons in the future? Tell me about this wondrous future you live in.
And by crayon, they mean...
What is this earth crayon? Oh, there's more.
I'm gonna cray on your on.
Yeah,
I'll
cray on you.
Oh.
You be cray crayon.
Oh, that's funny.
No.
You should make that new.
Oh.
But no one will listen because you're not. Oh.
I should make that new?
Yeah.
Shut ever.
No, just be like, that is so fetch. And then they'll be like, Gretchen, that's not happening. You know?
That is so fetch?
Yeah.
Was that a thing?
Yeah, Mean Girls, hello.
Oh, Mean Girls. Yeah, I thought that sounded like Mean Girls.
Yeah, fetch. And then Pitch Perfect is Aka. They're like, Aka believe it, Aka awkward. And then there's a t-shirt and it says Aka fetch. Get it?
Yeah. Cause
Aka.
When I was in high school, it was Aquanet.
What?
Aquanet.
It's a real thing?
Yeah.
I think the 90s has like the funniest slang in the world.
No, the 80s did.
No. I don't think that's
totally
right.
Different head. Totally.
No. If you look up 90s slang, like everything's like, cheddar is money. Like, I'll be like, oh,
nobody ever said that.
Yeah, I know, I don't believe that. I'm like, who would?
No, someone went on a website and just made up 90s slang.
Listen, no. There's one that's
You're
like,
totally aardvark.
Wait, is that a real thing?
No.
Okay. Nowadays we say like totes and like bro and like cool story and like dope and YOLO and swag.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty. That was pretty. That was pretty.
Brown.
That was definitely pretty.
No, go get yours.
No, you
go
take mine. You go take mine. No, you do that one.
Mine.
Okay.
Wow, Dad.
Oh, mine's getting boring.
Wow.
Man, oh, great.
You were so late.
Great. White fireworks.
This is for shizzle.
This is fantastic.
This is the for
Oh,
shizzle.
look. It's something going up in the air and exploding.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lame.
Red
Let's
fire.
just go.
Oh.
This is a waste of my time.
Oh.
We should stop doing that.
That's totally aardvark.
We're gonna start saying that, okay?
You can. Toucan.
No, I'll say that's Totes Aardvark, okay?
Totes Aardvark.
It'd be more hip.
Uh-oh.
No one says hip though. Like, just think of old people.
Okay, people are cheering. I think that's it. The people next door are very happy. Woo!
Good job, everybody.
All right, let's go.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
And that was Fireworks 2017.